Hey there, ever wondered why plants need water to grow? Water is absolutely essential for plants because it plays several important roles in their growth and survival. First off, water is needed for photosynthesis, which is the process plants use to make their own food. Plants absorb sunlight through their leaves, and with water and carbon dioxide from the air, they create glucose, a type of sugar that gives them energy. Without water, plants wouldn't be able to carry out photosynthesis, and they wouldn't have the energy they need to grow. Water also helps to transport nutrients from the soil into the plant. When you water plants, the water soaks into the soil and carries important minerals like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium to the roots. The plant then absorbs these nutrients along with the water, allowing them to move up through the stem to all parts of the plant. These nutrients are essential for building strong roots, healthy leaves, and flowers. Another key reason plants need water is for structure and support. Water fills up the plant's cells, helping them stay firm and upright. If plants don't get enough water, their cells lose pressure, causing them to wilt and become weak. This is why plants often droop when they're thirsty. Water also helps plants regulate their temperature. When it's hot, plants release water through tiny pores in their leaves in a process called transpiration. This works like a cooling system, helping to keep the plant from overheating. Transpiration also helps draw more water and nutrients up from the roots. In summary, we water plants to provide them with the essential resources they need for photosynthesis, nutrient absorption, structure, and temperature regulation. It's a vital part of keeping plants healthy and helping them grow strong. Thanks for joining me to explore why watering plants is so important.